Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about data analytics. Data analytics is basically a broader type of thing that incorporates four different smaller forms of analytics, which are descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. And to get into a little more detail of what those are, descriptive analytics help answer the questions that we ask about what happened in a certain process. Diagnostic analytics help answer the questions about why those things happened in the process. Predictive analytics help answer questions about what will happen in the future of the process. And prescriptive analytics help answer questions about what should happen in the process. The most interesting things that I found about the topic were that data analytics are kind of like so big and broad that they can be applied to almost anything, because data is collected on basically everything in the world these days. So that means that there's not really a limit on what data analytics can be used for. It can be applied to as many things as it needs to be. Some good examples of what industries use data analytics already would be healthcare, crime prevention, and environmental protection. Those all three widely use data analytics to dive deep into what they need to learn about certain information. Each type of the different of those four different kinds of data analytics that I described earlier, they all have a different purpose and a different place in the data analysis process, and they provide insight that businesses need to make effective and efficient decisions. Most important things that I think others need to know about data analytics is that analyzing big data can optimize efficiency in many different industries. Like, it's not only subject to accounting or business industries, it can be applied to lots of things all over the world. However, it does play an important role in the banking and finance world. The people that work in the banking and finance industries use it to predict market trends and assess risks within businesses. A good example of how data analytics is used in the banking and finance industries is credit scores. Basically, anybody that has a credit card is given a credit score, how likely they are to pay off any money that they owe or anything like that. It's applied very heavily to a lot of people. How I think this will apply to me as an accounting professional is that accountants use data analytics often every day in just their normal work life. It helps businesses uncover valuable insights, whether about their financials and other things like that, and it helps them identify improvements in certain processes in their working industries that can be improved upon and made more efficient, and it helps them better manage risk in their companies. So more specifically, tax accountants use data analytics to quickly analyze complex tax problems that would not be easy to just solve or figure out by themselves. And it also helps them in investment scenarios when they are trying to figure out what to invest in, what not to, and things of that sort. But overall, data analytics is not just limited to really anything. Since data is collected on so many things, it can be applied to many industries all over the world, and just very helpful to a lot of people.